Okay, so where are we at? Well, we're in Cleveland with Sergeant David Perez, and the Cuyahoga County Sheriff's deputy charged with assault will remain on active duty as case proceeds. Sergeant David Perez, 49, pleaded not guilty to assault after being arrested by the Strongsville Police Department. I'm going to go up here and go to reader mode because the ads are getting on my nerves. Also, I'd like to note, before we start this, 93% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You got your phone in your hand, you're at your computer, all you can do is click the button, and I'll stop the harassment. So here we are. Sergeant David Perez, 49, pleaded not guilty to assault after being arrested by the Strongsville Police Department. Cleveland, a deputy with the Cuyahoga County Sheriff's Department is facing a misdemeanor charge for assault, according to court records. Sergeant David A. Perez, 49, pleaded not guilty to the charge in Berea Municipal Court on Monday, records show. The department learned that same day that Perez was arrested by the Strongsville Police Department. County spokesperson Jennifer Alphabet confirmed. Alphabet told 3 News Perez will remain on active duty for the department while his criminal case plays out. The department will conduct an administrative review when the case is concluded. According to a Strongsville Police Department case report obtained by 3 News, Perez's arrest stemmed from an alleged domestic incident involving Perez, his wife, and his wife's son. Officers responded to Perez's home for a report of an active domestic violence occurring after a caller told dispatchers that their father was hitting their mother in the face. When police arrived, 2 young males attempted to provide information and what seemed to prevent me from entering the home, according to the police report. Police entered the house and found the upstairs hallway in disarray. Perez then opened a bedroom door and greeted the officers in his underwear, with the report noting he had a moderate odor of an alcoholic beverage emitting from his person. Yes, that's how you write it in the report about his person. From his person. According to the reports, Perez's wife was in the bedroom. Perez told officers that there was no physical altercation between him and his wife, nor with his children, and said he did not know why the police were in the home. Well, they were called there. Officers spoke with Perez's wife, who also appeared intoxicated and had what appeared to be fresh injuries under her eye and on the bridge of her nose. The police report noted she appeared emotional and claimed nothing physical had occurred. According to the report, when asked about her injuries, she told police she probably fell and that she had fallen outside the front of her house. Now, they teach you in basic law enforcement training, that's code words. When people say, well, I'm clumsy, so I fall a lot. It's all code words for do something with him. He won't keep his hands off of me. They teach them that in training. They have scenarios of what to look for. They beat this into your head. Probably fell. I probably fell. I might have misstepped when I walked down the steps. I opened a door and I hit myself in the face. No, that stuff, if you're extremely drunk, I'm just saying, but that's where we're at with this. She said she falls a lot, the report continued. No other pertinent information was provided. However, based on the investigation thus far, it appears as if David and had gotten into a physical altercation. I'm guessing they redacted her name. According to a report, a friend of Perez's stepson had driven to the home after hearing of the alleged altercation. The friend told police that Perez shoved him and after he tried to break up a fight involving the stepson. The friend complained of knee pain and said he wished to press charges. Perez's wife became irate after Perez was arrested, according to the report. She refused to allow police to take photographs of her injuries. Yes, because her fear is that if she doesn't do this, if she thinks that Perez thinks that she is legitimately trying to get him in trouble, what will he do when he gets back home? So yes, battered women, this is the law enforcement's training and experience should tell them this is exactly textbook how battered women will act. And they should do something about it. While the report states police believe a physical altercation between the couple may have occurred, there was no witness and nobody involved was cooperating with the police investigation. Because of this, no arrest was made in the original report of a domestic violence. On the original report of a domestic violence, the report said. The contents of the police report were first reported by 3 News media partner Cleveland.com. Perez is due back in court on the misdemeanor assault charge on April 2nd. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on this one. And Mr. Perez, there's a video that went with it, but I don't think it's probably not even worth watching. It'll probably be an ad.
There's different life changes that can cause you to reevaluate your portfolio. Life happens. Hi, I'm Alex Zarka. I'm a senior financial advisor at Zarka Financial.
Zarka Finance. Let's get on with the show.
Is there a death in the family? Are you getting a divorce?
Probably not even worth the time sitting here through this.
They're going to change. They're going to evolve.
New tonight, a Cuyahoga County Sheriff's deputy is out on bond after pleading not guilty to assault charges. According to our partners at Cleveland.com, Sergeant David Perez is accused of hitting his wife during an alleged domestic violence dispute. He was arrested Monday night. Perez remains on active duty while the case plays out. The county says it will conduct an internal investigation once the matter is resolved in court.
I'm sure they will. Now, let's see if that'll stop that. So, you can go to your county's websites and see what the salaries for these people are. And gov salaries, Cuyahoga County Deputy Sheriff Sergeant salary. The average Cuyahoga County Deputy Sheriff Sergeant salary was $95,349, which is 5% higher than the average salary for this job in Ohio, but 8% lower than the average salary for this job nationwide. There are 21 employees in Cuyahoga County whose job title is Deputy Sheriff Sergeant. So, let's see if we can find Mr. David Perez. I'm pretty sure we can. Oh, David Perez. Here we are. David Perez in 2022 was employed at Cuyahoga County and has an annual salary of $94,515 according to public records. The salary was 52% higher than the average and 75% higher than the median salary in Cuyahoga County. Cuyahoga County records showed David Perez held 2 jobs from 2020 to 2022. In year 2022, David Perez's salary was 15% lower than the average Deputy Sheriff Sergeant salary. 2022, David Perez, Deputy Sheriff Sergeant, Ohio, Cuyahoga County, $94,515. Information may include, where available, salaries, bonuses, benefits, retirement contributions, pensions, and other financial data. Alrighty. Cuyahoga County, number of employees, 4,162. Average annual wage, $62,219. Median annual wage, $54,080. But wait, there's more. 2020 was employed. Cuyahoga County had an annual salary of $65,520 according to public records. The salary was 23% higher than the average and 33% higher than the median salary in Cuyahoga County. Cuyahoga County records showed David Perez held 2. We already know that. We got this. And we got this again. And we got this again. Was this 2020? 2021. 65,520 according to public records, 17% higher. Median, blah, blah, blah. 2 jobs, 10%. Here's this. Here's that. 2022, 94,515. I believe that was the last one. And don't click on this. It sends you to Truth Finder or some bullshit. No, it won't tell you nothing. But yeah, $94,515 is what Mr. Perez is making. You can't get rid of them. And they typically go on. Here's some other workers if y'all want to go look these up. Go on to be somebody else's issue. So That's where we're at. Don't think there's a photo of him. There's always that one up there. But yeah, with this one, assault will remain on active duty as case proceeds. Almost $95,000 a year. I suppose he will. So let me know what you think about this one in the comments. We'll keep a watch on him. He goes back to court on, was it April 2nd, 2025? Likely nothing will happen to him. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Also, 93% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Again, I'm going to keep harassing you. You're at your computer. You got your phone in your hand. Click the button. I'll stop the harassment, and I'm out.